If you want to change the language on Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy way to update your Calendly language settings so the interface feels more comfortable and easier to use. Whether you're switching to your preferred language for work, for clients, or just for convenience, this takes only a few moments. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Calendly and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account icon there. This is where your personal settings are stored, so go ahead and click it. After you click the account icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page where you can adjust different account details and preferences. Now scroll down through the profile settings until you find the language section. Calendly keeps the language option a little lower on the page, so take your time and look carefully. Once you find it, click the language drop-down or selection area to see the available options. Now choose your preferred language from the list. Calendly may offer multiple language choices depending on your account and region, so just select the one you want the platform to display. After selecting your language, don't forget the most important step. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This applies your new language setting and updates your account immediately. Once you save, Calendly should refresh with your chosen language preferences. If the page doesn't update right away, you can refresh the browser or sign out and sign back in to make sure the changes fully take effect. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the language on Calendly. As you can see, it's a very simple process once you know exactly where to go. If this video saved you time, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.